Hello guys, welcome to another AI and AI models related tutorial by Team Slideshow. In this part, as you can see, we are running a model using llama server or llama cpp, and it has created a server. If I will open my browser, you will find that here this server is running, and if we type something, let's say who are you, obviously you can see it is running on localhost and it is processing some data, and I am Qwen, a large language model created by Alibaba Cloud and so on. So in the same way, you can install any model locally and work. You can disconnect with internet and work, and obviously it's running on your server, so you can create internal APIs. And if you want, this particular model also has this type of UI. So this is llama UI. So now let's learn how all of this is done. In this tutorial we will learn the step-by-step process, and here you can see we have MCP servers. We can search internet also, we can search conversions. If you are connected to internet, you can search internet also. How to enable that, I will tell that also in this tutorial. So I have taken a screenshot of a step-by-step process. First thing that you will need in your computer is llama.cpp. So visit llama-cpp.com/download or simply search llama download. From here you will click download, and you will find for your operating system like Windows, Linux, Mac, you can download llama cpp. This is how it looks. You can see all the files. So it will give you a zip file which you can extract in your any drive. So I have extracted in E drive, named it llama cpp, then the name of the folder which llama gave me. Here you will find the executable files, the DLL files, everything that you need to run this software. Llama cpp, as you can see, is a lightweight, high performance implementation designed to run large language models locally on your machine, as you saw. So after downloading, you will be redirected to this screen from where you can select according to your operating system. I selected Windows 64-bit CPU because I have that. So based on what CPU you have, you can select, and as you can see, I downloaded it. Then you need to download some models, like we have Qwen 2.5.5b. Obviously it's a very small model, only 0.5 billion instructions, but we are testing, and you can see it in action. At this moment we are talking to it, and let's say, can you create a React application? Obviously it is more suitable for reasoning. Sure, I can help you create React application. Do you have it? So you can see how quickly it is responding. And so I am downloading this, but there is whole set of models available. I will provide you a link to another video where we can learn which model will work best on our computer. We also did another video where we used LM Studio. So you can test with LM Studio also, but this is a more simpler process. If you know the model, you can download it. So when you will search for it, it will take you to Hugging Face website, from where you can find, so it will take you to model card. Remember, it will take you to model card, but what you need to do is you need to open files and versions. Here you will find, so for example, Qwen 2.5.5 instruct, there is FP16 GGUF. So these are the models that will work with llama. So you can see the download screen here, or download button here. So what I tried, this particular version, Q4 KMGGUF, 491 MB of size. So I was just trying, but you can try bigger models also, obviously as per your computer's uh, you know, dedicated RAM, dedicated VRAM, everything, and your computer's specifications will be tested here. So first test some small models. I have some reasoning related task. So that's why I am trying this. I will create a local API and use it in my applications. So here you can see is our marketing AI application where we are generating AI blog ideas, AI SEO keyword ideas, AI paid keyword ideas, and we have some other ERP applications also where we want to try some reasoning. So obviously everything is in research and development at this moment. So from here you will download this model. Sorry for the noise from behind. Now important thing, it will when is okay, I have taken a screenshot. This is how it will start downloading, and after it is downloaded you can place it inside any particular folder. So we have kept it inside E drive AI models. Here we will save these GGUF files. Next, in the same drive we have kept llama cpp also. So this folder where we have saved the model, you can save it anywhere. I have just kept them in the same drive. Now in your folder where you have saved your file, saved your llama cpp. So for example, let me show you in this folder. If you will simply click here, type cmd, so this will open command prompt in this location. So now you can directly use the llama exe executable file and execute something, or you can use the dos commands and navigate to this folder and then do that. It's your choice. So once you have done that, open command prompt in your location. This is the command that you will run. Here you will write llama server.exe/m. This is the path of this model which we have provided, that in E drive AI models, model name is this, and then the port, because port 80, as you saw, I am hosting other applications on port 80, so I'm using port 8080 here. You can use any other port so that it will not mess up, because on the same local host, like here, if I will not type 8080, I will try type for example something like HMIS. So you can see my hospital management app will open because it's hosted on 80 using MySQL. But here we are using hosting a model here. So on port 8080, that is why different ports are there, and that is how you will run that. When it will start, it will give you, it is listening on, it will give you the URL which you can copy from here and then paste in your browser. When it will open in your browser, you will see quickly get started. So you can enable this to search the web and retrieve relevant content, and you can enable Hugging Face to browse models, datasets, spaces, and ML papers from Hugging Face Hub. So you can do some research. There are 4 more tools here that you can enable. Right now it's running on browser. Then it will prompt you to install Llama UI automatically. I tried it in Chrome browser. It did. I clicked it and it suddenly opened this UI, which is better because now I don't have to rely on browser because many tabs are open on browser. So I can easily switch between them. You can see MCP servers are there. We can create a new MCP server. For that we will learn a new tutorial, but this is a new chatbot that you have created using llama cpp, and now you are chatting with a model that you have just downloaded. No credit limits, nothing. You can simply chat with it. So this is the process, and if you have any doubts you can ask them in the comment section, and if you have any suggestions please let us know. Thanks for watching. See you in next AI LLM video.